Today, we're ditching Photoshop from your Windows 11 machine in a breeze. First things first, let's find the Start menu. Usually this is a button with a Windows logo in your taskbar, which is typically down on the bottom left of your screen. Click on that logo. Now, look for All Apps and click it. If you want to make finding the app easier, you can click the search bar and search for Adobe Photoshop. Next, locate the Photoshop icon in the All Apps list. This looks a little like a capital P in a blue square. Then right-click it. From the context menu that pops up, select Uninstall. This will launch the Adobe Creative Cloud application, which manages your Adobe software. It might take a moment to load. When the Adobe Creative Cloud application opens, select and confirm that you want to remove Photoshop. Carefully read the options. Usually you can choose to uninstall the app or keep preferences along with other optional actions. Choose Uninstall. The uninstallation process will begin. This might take a few minutes, depending on your system. Watch as the progress bar completes the uninstall. And that's it. Adobe Photoshop is now uninstalled from your Windows 11 system. The Creative Cloud app will show a message indicating that Photoshop is uninstalled. Feel free to close the Creative Cloud app now or use it to install other Adobe apps if you desire.